Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ledger Flex wallet. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the provided cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your desktop or mobile device. Follow the clear on-screen instructions within Ledger Live to initialize your new Ledger Flex. This process includes setting a PIN and, most importantly, writing down your unique 24-word recovery phrase. Keep this phrase extremely safe. Securing your Ledger Flex is paramount. Begin by setting a robust PIN code directly on the device itself. This protects against unauthorized physical access. Your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds, so store it in a highly secure, private location, perhaps even 2 separate spots. Remember, never share this phrase with anyone, under any circumstances. Regularly updating your Ledger Live software and device firmware also enhances security. With your Ledger Flex secured, you can now manage your crypto assets. Open Ledger Live and add accounts for the specific cryptocurrencies you wish to hold. To receive funds, simply generate a receiving address within Ledger Live and share it. When sending crypto, always verify the transaction details, including the recipient address and amount, directly on your Ledger Flex screen before confirming. You can also explore staking or lending options for certain supported assets. For advanced users, your Ledger Flex can integrate with various compatible third-party wallets, expanding your options. A critical best practice is to always double-check every single digit of the recipient address before confirming any transaction. A small error can lead to permanent loss. Consider creating multiple secure, offline backups of your recovery phrase. Finally, for optimal security, always disconnect your Ledger Flex from your computer when you are not actively using it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.